What's up YouTube? It's HELLCAT J. I'm back here with another video, and today I'm going to be cleaning my car and reviewing a product that I got sponsored with. The product is actually something called Shine Armor. They reached out to me on Instagram and they asked if I wanted to be a part of their affiliate program. So the product that they sent me was a spray wax quick coat. It's like a carnauba wax. It has polymers and fillers, and the directions are to spray the wax onto a wet microfiber cloth, gently wipe the surface, and then take another towel and then quickly wipe off, and repeat this process until the whole vehicle is waxed. So we're going to be using this today to see how it goes. I've never really used wax products on my cars, so this is going to be a first. And my car right now is super dirty, as you guys can see. Let me get close up here. That's all the salt from New Jersey roads. It's kind of snowy out here in Jersey, but first thing I'm going to do is wash up the car real quick with regular soap, and then once we get that dry, we'll try the Shine Armor. All right, so let's do it. Okay, YouTube, the car is nice and clean, as you can see. Check it out. She's looking nice and spotless. So now we're gonna try the Shine Armor. So again, the directions were to spray wax onto a clean, damp microfiber cloth. See if you can see that here. Anyways, it says step 1, spray onto a clean cloth, working on a 3x3 area. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set the camera down and show you guys how it's all gonna work out. All right. Sorry, I'm just getting used to this gimbal thing. Okay. Okay, so I sprayed one side, and then it says to use another towel to buff it out. Okay guys, so I'm just doing the front area of the hood here. So this is the side that's untreated. If we do a real up close, you can see it's pretty shiny. I mean, this hood is newly painted. But then, I don't know if you guys can notice, but on the side that I just waxed, I can definitely tell that it's got a lot more of a swirl to it. I mean, a shine to it. So I'm digging the product. You can kind of see the difference from here, which was waxed, to here, which was not. So overall, I like the product. I'm gonna work on doing the whole car, and I'll show you guys the finished product. All right, guys. So I pretty much did the wax on the whole hood. And yeah, man, words speak for itself. I mean, images speak for themselves. Look how shiny that shit is. Now, I didn't really do the rest of the car, so you can kind of tell it's a little darker. And then here, it's really just gleaming. I'm not sure if the phone is doing it justice, but it's really just gleaming. Loving it. So yeah, guys, the Shine Armor stuff's the real deal. I actually really like it. My car's looking nice. And thanks for watching this video. As you already know, please like, follow, subscribe. You already know there's going to be a lot more content. Shout out to Shine Armor for sending me the wax. Hopefully they can send me some more stuff to try out on their car. And in the description, I'll link the product with my code, and you'll receive some sort of offer on the product. All right, guys?